So children, here we have solution A, solution B and solution C. So let's start. I will dip the turmeric paper into solution A. You can see the change in the turmeric paper. Now turn off solution B. No change. Solution C. Again no change. So through this we know that our solution A is the basic one. Yes, it is the basic one as it has turned the yellow litmus paper, as it has turned the yellow turmeric paper into red. Now, the question arises that how to differentiate between two. We have a solution B and solution C. Now, how to differentiate that which one is the acidic solution and which one is the neutral solution? Okay, what we will do, we will use the same litmus paper that we have used for the basic solution and we will dip it one by one in both the solution. So I am dipping it first in solution C. No change, it is still red. Now I will dip it in solution B. What did you see, children? The red color of the litmus paper, the red color of the turmeric paper changed into yellow. It changed back into yellow. Okay children, now the question arises that how the red turmeric paper turned back into yellow. Now children, actually what happened was that the solution B is acidic in nature. How? Because when the acidic solution reacted with the base present in the red turmeric paper, they both neutralized each other effects. Okay, neutralization reaction took place and hence the turmeric paper became neutral and turned back into yellow. But when we consider solution C, nothing happened when we dip the red turmeric paper into it because solution C is neutral in nature. Therefore, solution B is acidic and solution C is neutral.